Welcome to my channel. Ever wondered how some people effortlessly achieve that elusive glow? How they seem to possess that inviolable radiance that lights up the room? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to clear, glowing skin. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey to discover the hidden gems of skincare that'll have you glowing from within. Alright, let's kick things off by getting to know your skin better. Knowing your skin type is like understanding the language your skin speaks. It's the foundation of your skincare journey. Your skin could fall into different categories: oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. This knowledge is your compass, guiding you to pick the right products and treatments that your skin will absolutely love. Let's zoom in a bit more. Identifying your skin concerns is like creating a personalized map for your skincare routine. It's about pinpointing those specific issues your skin might be dealing with. Maybe it's acne, dryness, uneven tone, or dullness. At least recognizing these concerns allows you to tailor your skincare regimen, targeting those areas to achieve a clearer, more radiant complexion. Understanding your skin type and identifying its unique concerns might seem like basic steps, but trust me, these are the building blocks of your journey towards clearer, glowing skin. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into crafting a skincare routine that's perfectly tailored for you. Now let's talk about the building blocks of your skincare routine. First up, cleansing. Picture cleansing as the superhero in your quest for clear skin. It's not just about removing makeup, it's about clearing the way for that radiant glow. We're diving deep into the power of a gentle yet thorough cleansing routine that bids farewell to impurities without stripping away your skin's natural moisture. This step, it's the groundwork for that lit from within glow you're after. Now, onto nourishment and hydration. This is where the magic happens. Think of it as feeding your skin all the goodness it craves. We'll unravel the wonders of hydration and nourishment, discussing why moisturizing isn't just a luxury, it's a skincare essential. This step keeps your skin supple, plump, and oh so glowy, like a refreshing sip of water on a hot day. Crafting a skincare routine that revolves around proper cleansing and the right dose of hydration and nourishment. It's the key to unlocking that clear, glowing complexion. Stick around as we dive deeper into more secrets for your skin's journey towards radiance. Boosting tips and tricks to elevate your skincare game. First on the agenda, exfoliation. Your skin's ultimate BFF for shedding those dull, dead skin cells. Think of it as a fresh start for your skin. We're unveiling gentle exfoliation methods that bid adieu to dullness and reveal a fresh, glowing canvas without any irritation in sight. And now, let's shed some light on sun protection. It's a non-negotiable. Shielding your skin from harmful UV rays isn't just a tip, it's a skincare commandment. We're delving into why safeguarding your skin from the sun's rays is crucial for maintaining clarity and preserving that enviable glow you've been working so hard for. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the essentials of skincare, uncovering the secrets to achieving that clear, glowing complexion you've been dreaming of, understanding your skin type and concerns, crafting a tailored routine with proper cleansing, nourishment, and hydration, embracing glow-boosting practices like exfoliation, and prioritizing sun protection. These steps are your roadmap to radiant skin. Remember, skincare isn't just about appearances. It's about self-care and self-love. Embrace these steps, make them your routine, and watch your skin flourish. Beauty isn't one size fits all, but these foundational principles work wonders for all skin types. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards healthier, glowing skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Let's all glow together. Until next time, take care and keep shining bright.